To customize call alerts and ringtones in Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, you will need to open a phone dialer on your device. Next step is to click on the three dots right here, and then you can go to the settings. Look for the option called call alerts and ringtones, and when you enter it, we can adjust all of the settings. So let's start from the top. Call alerts, we have a vibrate when answered. You will feel vibration when you answer calls. You can also enable it for when you end calls as well. Then there's play tone when you call a contact, and you can also play tone when the call ends. You can allow alarm or notification sounds during calls as well. Then there's the option to change the ringtone, that is the call sound right here. You can also change the call vibration style, and you can enable or disable call vibrations, play sounds for keypads, and vibrate for keypads as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.